Tips for Halloween safety. Always dress warmly enough. The weather can get cold, so don't be outside for long periods of time if it's too cold for you. If you get too cold, go inside a public building or go back home for a little while to warm up. You can hold or drink a warm cup of fluid such as tea, hot chocolate, soup, or plain water to warm up. You can wash your hands in warm water to warm them up. Don't use water that's too hot or you could hurt yourself. Never go into a stranger's home even if they seem nice or they say they know your family members. If a stranger grabs you, run away while yelling, "Stranger danger." Leave anything they grab from you. Your stuff isn't worth your life. You can always replace things. You cannot replace people. Don't eat baked goods or other homemade foods from strangers. Don't eat pre-opened candy. Don't eat candy that seems like something is wrong with it. Don't eat expired candy. Don't eat too much candy at once. If you want to